Mortiser helps to make precise joints in the wood effortlessly. They can be used on any type of wood that include teak, oak and others. It is portable, lightweight and can be used to operate from different angles to make mortise and teak in joinery. There are many products available to choose the best mortising machine, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Delta 14-651 Mortiser. The Delta 14-651 Mortiser is our choice for the overall best mortising machine. It uses a large 0.5 horsepower motor that can produce up to 1725 revolutions per minute. It features a rotating head that you can turn to use for off-table mortising, and it has an adjustable depth stop to prevent you from drilling in too deep. The multi-position feed lever matches the correct position to the job, and a large cast iron base brings the total weight to 77 pounds, which helps keep the drill from moving while it runs. It has an 18.6-inch cutting diameter and a rack and pinion fence for precise mortising. It's easy to twist these flimsy knobs too hard, which can damage and ruin the fence's stability if you're not careful. Number 2. Makita 7104L Chain Mortiser. The Makita 7104L Chain Mortiser is our premium choice mortising machine. It features an extremely powerful 10.5 amp motor that can reach speeds up to 3,200 RPM without bogging down on any wood. The large adjustable vise allows you to fasten it to your project securely, and it's highly portable at only 38.1 pounds. All adjustments are intuitive and easily accomplished, and we found it required very little maintenance, even after considerable use. The biggest problem with the Makita is the poorly written manual that contains tiny text and does not explain how to use the tool very well. If you are new to using the mortising machine, you will likely need to look up some YouTube videos to replace these instructions. Number 3. Jet 708580 Bench Mortiser. The Jet 708580 Bench Mortiser features an 8.5 HP motor that can reach up to 1752 RPM, which is more than suitable for mortising most woods. The rack and pinion head provides smooth operation for its entire range of movement. The removable on-off toggle switch is unique and protects the machine from accidental use when you're not around. It's relatively lightweight at about 44 pounds and comes with 3 chisel bits. We found the chuck to be very clunky, and it didn't work well with the key. It was very rough changing bits, and it felt like there was a problem internally as we turned the key. The fence was also hard to move accurately, and tiny adjustments were nearly impossible. Number 4. ShopFox Bench Mortiser. ShopFox is a subsidiary of Woodstock International that specializes in manufacturing small machinery for and commercial applications. ShopFox's Bench Mortiser runs on a 3/4 HP motor to deliver a steady speed of up to 3450 RPM. With this speed, you can easily power through a wide range of hard and soft wood. The motor has an aluminum finned housing, along with a fan-cooled system to prevent it from overheating. The Mortiser features a unique swiveling base that allows easy off-the-bench operations. It is equipped with a heavy-duty fence to ensure the wood workpiece is stable and does not wobble. ShopFox backs this bench mortiser with a 2-year warranty from the original date of purchase. Number 5. RIKON 34-260 Benchtop Mortisers. RIKON is one of the well-known brands offering a wide range of woodworking tools that are suitable for both to heavy-duty applications. They manufacture economical, consistent, and high-quality products. It provides constant solid cutting of numerous mortises with a dovetail column having an adjustable stop. With its gas-filled stabilizer, the device controls the upward and downward chisel motion while working to make you feel safe. Furthermore, this XY directional table with adjustable stops offers ultimate positioning control and lets you focus on your work effectively. Also, it includes a fence, 2 extensions, a tool holder, a hold down, and 4 chisels along with this tool. It comes with a 5-year-long warranty from the original date of purchase. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.